Meet the top-of-the-line soundbar that's here to pull you deep into the heart of all your favorite content. In this video, we'll help you get your Smart Ultra Soundbar set up. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar, a remote control with battery included, a power cord, a high-speed HDMI cable, an optical cable, an Adapt-IQ headset, and finally, important documentation. Okay, now let's set up your soundbar. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of your TV. For best sound quality, make sure the up-firing speakers on top of the soundbar aren't blocked. Next, connect the power cord into the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on, and the light bar will glow amber once it's in setup mode. To complete setup, access additional features, and receive future software updates, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the box. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and then log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set Up New Product and then select Smart Speakers, Soundbars, and Amps. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. Once it appears, tap Add and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi, set up sharing settings, connect accessory speakers, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Of course, you'll also need to connect the soundbar to your TV. We recommend connecting with the included HDMI cable if your TV has an HDMI eARC port or an ARC port. Otherwise, use the optical cable instead. The Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar supports Dolby Atmos technology, which does require an HDMI connection. However, our TrueSpace technology will intelligently analyze any audio signal and upmix them to create a multi-channel experience with a sense of height in the soundscape. If using an HDMI port, you will be able to control the power, volume, and mute functions of the soundbar with the remote you currently use to control your TV. The HDMI CEC function of your TV must be enabled for this functionality. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI eARC or ARC port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port on the back of the soundbar. If connecting with the optical cable, remove the protective cap from both ends. Align one end with your TV's optical out port and insert the plug carefully. Next, align the other end with the optical in port on the back of the soundbar, and then firmly push until you hear or feel a click. When using an optical cable, you can take advantage of the Autowake feature, which automatically powers on the soundbar whenever a sound signal is received. To enable or disable this feature, press and hold the power button on the remote until the light bar pulses white twice. And finally, if you ever want to enhance the clarity of a conversation you're listening to, turn on the new AI dialogue mode. The new dialogue mode uses AI to sense when dialogue is occurring, and then automatically adjust the tonal balance to improve the clarity of spoken words with minimal impact to immersive effects. Your Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.